So for the past couple videos, I've been using the DJI Pocket 3 with the DJI mic, and it's never done me wrong. And it's a good mix of the portability and the audio quality. You just can't go wrong. So that's why I had to bring in this product right over here. This is the DJI MIC 2. Now, this is good if you like to record on the go, or you like to travel and you want to capture those biggest moments. So I'm gonna get straight to the point. I'm gonna go outside and show you guys how these mics sound. So what you're hearing right now is the built-in microphone on the ZVE10. Test, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can barely hear my voice. Now this is what it sounds like with the DJI plugged into the camera and recorded off the camera. As you can probably hear, you can still hear my voice. At this point, I'm almost at the top of the hill, and you could probably still hear me. And this is what it sounds like when you hit the record button right on the DJI mic. What that's gonna do is it's gonna override the Sony settings so the DJI can do what it does best. As you could probably tell, the active noise canceling is working, and the audio, because of that, just sounds so much crispier. You could probably still hear me, but the only difference is with the noise canceling on and everything, the audio sounds very crisp. So now back in the studio, I want to do one more test to show you guys how both mics sound indoors. So this is what the built-in camera microphone sounds like. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now I've connected the receiver to the camera. And this is what the DJI mic sounds like. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now in the box, it comes with a carrying case that has room for all your pieces, a metal charging case that has your 2 microphones in it, the receiver, and 2 different adapters, one USB-C and one Lightning. So you can use the microphone on any phone that takes USB-C, and you could use the microphone on an iPhone. It also comes with 2 windscreens, a USB to USB-C for charging the metal case, your quick startup guide, and a cable that has 2 3.5mm jacks at the end of it. So to set the microphones up with the camera, you're going to be using this slot right here. You're going to take your receiver, and then you're just going to slide it in the slot just like that. Now here's the cord that it comes with. You're going to plug one side into the mic input, and the other side into the receiver. Now looking back at the receiver on the mic 2, it has a 1.1-inch OLED touchscreen that gives you a better look on the battery of the microphones and the microphone levels. You could also swipe down on the screen to get the receiver settings, the transmitter settings, and your regular settings. And as I mentioned earlier, it is multi-device compatible, so that just makes it a lot easier if you want to capture some high quality audio on the go. I do have to mention though, if you connect the microphone to any of your devices using Bluetooth, you will lose a little bit of the quality in the audio. In the settings, you have an option to set up your DJI with certain cameras. That way, you can pick the camera that you have, and it will create a custom EQ based on the camera that you picked, so you can get the best sound. Now let's say you're taking a walk outside, you're walking on the sidewalk and cars are just driving right by you. Or you're at the beach and there's just too much background noise you notice that's getting picked up. You don't have to worry because the DJI MIC 2 has intelligent noise canceling. It'll block out majority of what is happening in the background. See, I know you're like me and worry about your devices dying pretty quickly. Now I say DJI definitely did their thing, hooked you guys up with some more recording time, coming in at 14 hours of internal recording with 24-bit audio. And we're not even talking about the case, because inside the case it comes with 18 hours of battery that'll charge the receiver and the microphones. Earlier I mentioned there was 14 hours of internal recording, and what that's going to allow you to do is record separate audio that'll be saved into the mic. On the side here, you're going to see a record button. All you're going to do is press on that and get to recording your audio. Now after you do that, you're going to plug the mic into the computer using a USB-C. Open up the file that shows up on the computer, and as you can see, all your audio recordings will be right there. So if you're looking for something with a great sound that can fit on multiple devices and that's small enough to fit in your pocket, the DJI MIC 2 is there to back you up. And I personally think that this mic is so good that I'm recording this video with the DJI MIC 2. And I'll put all the links for this mic in the description below. I'm Justin, this is Gadget Getters. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this. And I'll catch you guys right on the next one.